Hello friends, welcome to Yasub TV channel. I hope you all are well. Today I will tell you how to convert your $1 into millions. Watch the video from beginning to end to better understand this plan. In this video I will tell you what this company plans. So let's start the video without wasting time.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
The company we will talk about today, her name is Big One. Before I start the video, I want to make it clear that everyone can earn money from this plan, whether he can make referral or not. So let me tell you a little bit about the company. That this company does the software development work and it has a lot to do with different technical things. The video will be very long if I start explain about it. So let's consider the earning plan. Here you can earn in different ways like stage income, level income, different type of ROI, gift awards. The first step is to activate your account with $1. One of the beauties of this plan is that after activating your ID, anyone who activates ID will join your downline. Each stage has its own requirement. As soon as you fulfill those requirements, the income of the stage will start. Let me make it clear to you here that whatever stage you are on, you will only earn from that stage. For example, if you are on stage 1 and in 2 to 3 days you have upgraded your stage and reached stage 2, then you will start getting stage 2 income. That is, as soon as you get to the next stage, you will only get income from that stage and the income of the previous stage will be closed. In stage 1, when you have 10 members completed in your downline, these are the members who are joining your downline from all over the world automatically. Your stage 1 global team requirement is now completed. Now as soon as you completed the second requirement of stage 1, that is join one direct referral, then the earning of stage 1 will start. You will continue to receive stage 1 income until your maximum income is met. Let me tell you another thing here, that you can create multiple accounts from one email with different usernames, and if you cannot create referral, you can create another ID from your own referral link and activate it so that your referral will be generated and your income will start. But if you make referral, you will benefit more because whenever a new referral comes to your team, you will also have income. You will have a daily income of 0.12 cents per day for stage 1. As soon as both stage 2 requirements are met, you will have daily income of 0.12 cents. Similarly, as soon as both stage 3 requirements are met, you will have a daily income of 0.15 cents. Let me tell you one more thing here, that the global team will be in each stage and the direct referral you will include are different for each stage. For example, if you are on stage 2, you will have to join total 3 direct referral, and if you are on stage 3, you will have to join total 6 direct referral. Now I have to collect it and explain to you the direct referral of different stages. I hope you have understood. Now the global team is also different. This is 35 members up to stage 2 and 85 members up to stage 3. Now let's see all stages income. Let's talk about level income. If someone joins your referral link, you will get 10% of their investment. Similarly, when your referral joins someone with his referral link, you will get 5% of it. This way you will have an income up to level 6 from your referrals chain. So now let's talk about weekly ROI. After completing stage 5, you will be eligible for weekly ROI. Mean when you reach this stage 6, your extra income mean your weekly ROI is start. Now you may be wondering where you can get the extra income. When anyone invests $1 in Big One, so 15% of the $1 is invested in the forex market. Because the company works in software development, so it has developed an excellent trading software for itself from which they make good profit. So whenever it reaches stage 6, the profit of this trading is distributing to all weekly. Now let's talk about top up. Whenever you convert your money to withdraw, 10% of it goes to top up section. Any money that goes into your top up will be doubled and returned to you 10 times. Until you get your money by doubling it 10 times, you will continue to get this income. So earning from the top up will start coming to you when complete $10 in the top up. You can invest in it yourself if you wish, or you can increase the percentage when you convert money for withdrawal. So now let's talk about bonus on investment. In another words, we are going to talk about top up level income. As I told you earlier, you can earn up to level 6 from your referrals. Similarly, you can earn up to level 7 in top up from your referrals. There are some requirements to earn from referrals in top up. Consider this requirement. When your personal investment reaches $10 in top up, your earning will start and your team will also reach $10. So your level 1 income will start from your referrals. Similarly, level 2 earning will start to accrue when your personal investment is in the top up of $20 and your team $100. Similarly, you can reach requirement up to level 7. Now let's talk about gift awards. Gift awards will be started from stage 9. Let's see. Before ending the video, let me tell you one more thing here. If your global team is more than direct referrals, so don't worry. When your global team and direct referrals match, your stage will be determined and you will start earning your income according to that stage. So don't worry, you can add referrals slowly. I hope I have told you in detail everything. You will have to watch part 2 of this video to know all the detail inside Big One account. You will find the link in the video description of this video part 2. Be happy and take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.